vehicle? Check out the 2020 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.